Room 1815 at the Sheraton Grand. We did not get a room upgrade, but we got a very nice warm welcome. Plenty of closet space. Refreshment center, fridge. I guess mini bar stuff. Coffee, tea. And then they were kind enough to drop some water, some Arabic candies, and a welcome letter. And here we have a nice, comfortable room, comfortable bed, and a nice bathroom that's wide open. And tub, sink, usual bathroom stuff, and a nice stand-up shower. So breakfast is included as a platinum member at the buffet or the lounge, and the lounge also has tea and meals and drinks later. So pretty cool.